Oh my god, is this what it feels like when you do like bikini legs? Alright, so before I get started, I just want to let you know I literally just came home from practice. Just don't mind my face. I got my eyebrows done like 2 weeks ago. It's starting to grow back already, and so I'm gonna just fix it up with just a brush and these small scissors. The part where you want to focus more on, because you could cut the smallest amount of hair and still think it's not as much as you did, and then when you brush it back up you can end up with no hair. Afterwards, it's good to brush it down to see the natural shape of your eyebrows and to touch up on anything else, but most of the time you won't even have to touch up after that.
Oh, status finessed. I legit finessed that just now. Yes, ma'am. Now time to do this bad boy.
Alright, so this is the final look. It's straight darkness with some hairs. Oh, nah. One hair?
There's not one hair.
I see one hair.
Nope, it got everything on that side. One hair.
Watch your profanity.
That hurt.
That hurt like a butt cheek on a stick.
It's not gonna feel good. Do the same thing.
Loosen it a little bit.
Wow. Sit tight.
It's not as dark. Oh, no, it's still dark. But it's not as dark as before.
Oh my gosh, one more.
Last one.
Oh my god, is this what it feels like when you do like bikini legs?
It's 10 times worse.
Oh. You can get my nostrils too.
No, I mean like that's extra charge. Thumbs up if it's hot. Good stuff. Let me see.
It's okay.
Let me see. Yeah. Let me sit back.
You don't have to do the whole thing again. You want to be in the camera?
I don't.